morning to all dear my students. I hope you all are safe at your home. Welcome to our class 4 subject EVS part 2. Let me recall first what we have studied in a last lecture. What we have studied? We have studied the Maratha Sardar, the famous house of the Bhosles. Am I right? So in that we have studied about the Shahaji Raje. Then we have studied about the Maloji Raje, Vithoji Raje. Am I right? So today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 4, that is the Shivaji's childhood. What we are going to start? The new lesson, Shivaji's childhood. Okay. So this is the place where, this is the birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, this is the birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj. Can any one of you tell me that where is the birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj? Of course, at Shivneri. Okay, so let us start. Let us begin with our chapter, Shivaji's childhood. Birth of Shivaji. Those were very unsettled days. Shah Jahan from the north had dispatched a big army to conquer the Deccan. What? Those were very unsettled days, means in that we have seen about that the period of unrest. What is mean? The situation in which people are not happy. So same as that days was very unsettled days. Shah Jahan from the north had dispatched means he has sent a big army to conquer the Deccan. Conquer means to defeat the Deccan. Pune, the principal town of Shahaji Raje's Jagir, was burned to the ground by Adil Shah of Bijapur. Means what is going on that time? Pune, which was the principal town of the Shahaji Raje's Jagir, was burned. Means it is Shahaji Raje is losing that Jagir to the ground by Adil Shah of Bijapur. Shahaji Raje was in a real trouble. He found himself between the devil and the deep sea and was constantly on the run. It means Shahaji Raje was in too much trouble. What should he feel that? What should I have to do? He is in that condition between the devil and the deep sea. Means one side is devil and one side is the deep sea, and he feel that where I have to go. That was the Shahaji Raje was in very much trouble. On that same time, Jijabai was pregnant. Jijabai was daughter of, whose daughter was? She was daughter of Lakhuji Rao. Am I right? Jijabai was pregnant, and great question which worried Shahaji Raje was some place where she could remain in safety and peace. So many times what Shahaji Raje feel that where she could remain in safety and in peace. Then he remembered at a Shivneri fort and decided to send Jijabai there. What he decided? He decided to send Jijabai at the Shivneri fort. Shivneri was a strong fort near Junnar in a Pune district. Where is this? Where is this Shivneri fort? Shivneri fort is near Junnar in a Pune district. It had steep cliffs on 4 sides, strong fortification and massive doors. How is the structure of that fort? Steep cliffs. Steep means slope and cliff means especially at the edge of the seas on the 4 sides. Strong fortification means it has a defensive walls and massive doors. Massive doors means large, huge doors. Understood? So Shivneri was a strong fort near Junnar in Pune district. It had a steep cliffs on 4 sides, strong fortification and massive doors. Understood? These strong fort was then in a charge of Vijay Raj, a relative of the Bhosles, who was handling that. Vijay Raj, the relative of Bhosles. He agreed to give protection to Jijabai. So he agreed, he accepted that he will give protection to Jijabai. So Shahaji Raje left her there and marched against the Mughals. So what Shahaji Raje did? He left Jijabai at the Shivneri fort and marched. March means proceed to start battle against the Mughals. And then the golden day dawn means, arrived. On the auspicious day of a Falgun Vaidya Tritiya in the year 1551 of the Shak era, that is on the 19th February 1630, to the sound of pipes and drums playing in the Nagar Khana, Jijabai gave birth to a son. What is the birth date of Shivaji Maharaj? 19 February 1630. All the residents of the fort were overjoyed. On the 12th day, with appropriate ceremony, the child was named Shivaji as the child was born on Fort Shivneri. Why the name of Shivaji Raje kept as a Shivaji? Just because of he was born on the Fort Shivneri. Depending on that name of fort, the child was named Shivaji as the child was born on the Fort Shivneri. Understood? Why the name of Shivaji Raje has kept as a Shivaji? Just because of he born on the Fort Shivneri. Now next point is Shivaji Maharaj childhood. Shivaji passed the first 6 years on his life in highly unsettled condition. Even so, Jijabai did not neglect his education. That day was of unrest. That day was of unsettled conditions. Shivaji passed the 6th year in that. Even in that condition, Jijabai did not neglect his education. He is every time concentrating on his education. Every evening she would light the household lamps and then call Shivaji to her. What she do every evening? She would light up the household lamps and then call the Shivaji. She would shower her affection on him and tell him stories of Ramakrishna, Bhim and Abhimanyu. Okay, what she is showering, what she is giving as an education to the Shivaji Maharaj, she is telling him stories of Ram and Krishna and of Bhim and Abhimanyu. On other occasions, she would recite to him devotional songs of Namdev, Jnaneshwar or Eknath. As we have seen about the work of the Sant, there are so many sons like Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Eknath. So she would recite to him the devotional songs of Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar or Sant Eknath Maharaj. Shivaji liked to listen to the exploits of brave men. What Shivaji liked most? She liked that to listen the act of brave men, what they have did. Shivaji felt that on growing up she should also display valor like them. Every time what Shivaji felt, she felt that he feel that on growing up he would also display valor like them. Valor means great courage. Shivaji also feel that he also want to show some great courage. He also want to do something for our Jagir. Jijabai used to tell him stories of many pious persons. Pious means religious like Sant Namdev, Sant Ekanath Maharaj persons and Sant that instilled in him a respect and honor of all Sant and great man. Children from poor families came to play with Shivaji. On that day, in the Shivaji Maharaj childhood, children from the poor families also came to play with the Shivaji Maharaj. Sometimes he visited them in their huts and shared their simple meal of onion and bhakri with a great relish. Very happily they eat their onion and bhakri. Sometimes he visited them in their huts and shared their simple meal. They invented interesting games to pass the time. The children of the Maulas were birds in the forest. They would imitate the sound of the cuckoo or parrot or tiger to perfection. Okay, so in this way what we have seen. Next we have seen about the childhood. Next point, their pastime was building small forts of the earth and making earthen elephants and horses. Means in the past time what was they were doing? They building small forts on the earth and making earthen elephants. Earthen means which is materials made up with the clay or soil. Earthen elephants and horses. They played hide and seek or played with a ball or top. Every time what they play? Hide and seek and play with the ball or top. Shivaji joined them in all these games and became popular with them. Every time Shivaji Maharaj also was joining them and enjoying that game and became popular with them. So in this way what we have studied? We have studied about the birth of Shivaji and Shivaji childhood. Understood? I hope you all understood about this. Thank you.